going on, guys? TR Man 2720 here. Friday night. Yeah, it's got a little late. I just wanted to wait a little while before I opened up this box tonight. I picked up a couple boxes of this. I got this at a really good price on Charm City Cards on Amazon. A really good price on this 2013 Topps Prime Football. I got 3 boxes. I'm going to open one tonight here on. So let's see what we get. We're looking for the E.J. Manuel, Tavon Austin, Eddie Lacy. Actually, Eddie Lacy was 2012, right? No, he was 2013. Yeah. Geno Smith. So we got. We can get 1 autograph relic, 1 autograph card, 2 relics per box. So I think there's 4 hits. 10 packs, 6 packs per pack. Let's go ahead and bust it open and see what we get. I know there's booklets in this stuff. Some nice cards coming out of it, though. Yeah. So we're looking for some MOJO. Nothing so far really feeling like a booklet. Some are a little thicker than other ones, but it doesn't feel like any booklets. Alright, let's get started, guys. First pack. Okay, first, oh, these are hard to see. I hate this. We got a Percy Harvin, or I'm sorry, Bobby Wagner. J.J. Watt. Darren Sproles. And the golds are hard to see on this too, so I got to kind of hold it sideways because of the light. And we do have a hit already. Then we have, oh, it's not a hit, I'm sorry. Adrian Peterson. It's a Tavon Austin primed rookies, and not numbered. Nice card though. That one off to the side, and then we got a Eric Fisher. Okay, looks like we got a hit in this one. I don't know whether they do the dummy cards in here, but we'll see. Bjorn Werner. Cecil Shorts. Lamar Miller. And a Brandon Whedon. And then we have a nice patch, and it's numbered out of 25. Nice patch of Gavin Escobar, rookie card. So a gold patch card, numbered out of 25, and the numbering is 17 out of 25. That's a nice little hit. Coming out like that. Nice looking card. Let's pull 2 from the back, or 1 from the back. Tavares King, Benson Jackson, Steve Johnson. Oh, another hit. Larry Fitzgerald. And then we have a gold card of Calvin Johnson, which is numbered. I do believe these are numbered. Nope, not numbered. It is a gold though. And the hit is, oh, it's a nice one. Beautiful hit here. Eddie Lacy autograph. So, not bad. Not bad at all. This card's probably worth what I paid for the box. It's numbered out of 250, 49 out of 250. Eddie Lacy auto. Sticker auto. So that's cool. 2 nice hits so far. Okay, we have a gold Tyler Eifert, numbered out of What is that numbered out of? 660, I think. Justin Blackman, Reggie Wayne, Danny Amendola, and we have a Rob Gronkowski and an Andrew Luck. Prime. Oh, these are so hard to see. Prime Teen or Prime 10. Andrew Luck, not numbered. It feels a little thicker, but there's something in here. Okay, we have a Lance McDonald, rookie. Des Bryant. Jonathan Dwyer. Calvin Johnson. And we have a Cam Newton Prime Knight. And they're not numbered. It's the same thing that Andrew Luck was. Then I have a gold of Percy Harvin, not numbered. So that other one looked like a copper. Oh, I forget who it was. But it was a copper back or copper front. Okay, we have a Andre Ellington, Doug Martin, Stephen Ridley, Andy Dalton, Matt Ryan, and then we have a Stephen Ridley gold. Pack feels a little bit thick. So we really got, that was a nice Eddie Lacy. Here's one out of 53 out of 99. Ryan Nassib, rookie. Looks like it's a copper color. Trent Richardson on the Bears. And we have a Colin Kaepernick, Tom Brady, base. Von Miller, base. Ooh, we got here Robert Woods, quad auto or quad jersey. Robert Woods out of, let's see, 449. Nice little autograph there. Robert Woods for the Buffalo Bills. Very nice. That was on the back. But I'm pulling a card from the front. I wasn't expecting that because it was facing the other way. Okay, then we have a Tyler Wilson rookie. Miles Austin, base. Hakeem Nicks, base. We have another hit coming up. Torrey Smith, base. And a Cecil Shorts, base. And then we have a dual jersey of Vance McDonald. And that is numbered out of, what is it, 165. Dual jersey, Vance McDonald, rookie card. Last two packs. Very impressed with this. See if we can pull a bonus hit out of here. Marcus Wheaton. Ben Roethlisberger, base. Reggie Bush, base. And then we have a Jimmy Graham, base. And what is this? We have a Devier Posey. What is this? Rookie performance card. It's not numbered, but it is a rookie. And then we have a gold Brandon Myers pack. So pretty good break so far. out of those first 9 packs. Excellent. I'll definitely be getting more of this stuff. But, okay, we got the E.J. Manuel rookie card. Nice. Then we have a Lamar Miller base. Another Brandon Weeden base, who now plays for the Cowboys. Drew Brees base. Navarro Bowman base. And last but not least, Peyton Manning. That's a gold version. So, we'll recap the hits. Vance McDonald, dual jersey, out of 165. Autograph, Robert Woods, quad jersey. And that was numbered out of 449. Then we had this nice patch of a rookie of Gavin Escobar, 17 out of 25. Very nice. And the big hit of the box, which is going into plastic as soon as I'm done this video. It's in pretty good shape. And this is numbered out of 250. 49 out of 250. Eddie Lacy. Rookie auto. I don't know. It's just I'm not sure what kind of version this is, but yeah, nice hit. Eddie Lacy. So that was Prime Football 2013, guys. So join me again this weekend. I'm going to be breaking some more stuff, but I just wanted to do something. I was getting bored. Felt I had the itch to open tonight. So, like I said, I got some more stuff I want to open, but I want to I got an early day tomorrow, so I'm going to get some sleep tonight. I'm going to go ahead and upload this and maybe watch TV for about an hour, half an hour, and hit the sack. All right, guys, take it easy, and I'll see you this weekend. Thanks. Later.